questions
Right, moving on, Kiambu County public hospitals reported 0 maternal deaths across all maternity wards in April, an indication of the effectiveness of the county administration's ongoing efforts to strengthen maternal health services. Leading the way is the Kiambu Level 5 Hospital, which posted an outstanding record of its own, not a single maternal death from January through April this year. Healthcare workers in public hospitals held celebrations at Kiambu Level 5 Hospital. All the other public hospitals in the county with the maternity wings reported 0 maternal deaths in January, February and March. According to statistics from the maternity department, the number of deliveries across Kiambu's health facilities consistently rose in the first 3 months of 2025.
Having 0 maternal death the whole of this year, since the beginning of January till now, in this hospital, we haven't had any maternal death at all, not even a single one.
The improvement in the service delivery is evident in the number of mothers we have been delivering in Kiambu County. For example, in the year 2024, we had a projected pregnant population of 60,000, but the whole county ended up delivering 80,000 mothers in all our facilities.
Getting it right from the beginning has been indeed our mantra, and therefore every person's contribution has been seen as of great importance. And therefore we can only emphasize the need for teamwork, and so with that we were celebrating today.
Nilijifungulia hosi ya Roiro Hospital. Nikaleta huku kama rifaro. Nikakuja nikaletewa mtoto NB huku sasa nursery. Kalikuwa kadogo, kalikuwa na kilo 1. Reduce kakakuwa na 600 grams. Lakini so far kana improve.